Welcome to another KFD how-to video. In this episode, we're going to go back into the scheduler and event calendar, and we're going to show you how to enter a sick or somebody on work reduction. Go to modules, we go down to scheduler, and we go over to the event calendar. Once your event calendar pops up, we're going to stick with the same crew for these evolutions. We're going to go down to 7A. So we'll find our shift and our station. Again, double click on it. And we want to edit an occurrence. We never edit a series. Once we're on here, we're going to go and get rid of this trait that's no longer in here, so our description box is back to normal. And we're going to go to the Personnel tab. So from here, we've got two crews, Med 7 and Truck 7. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put Ryan Anderson on WR. So he's assigned, these positions are assigned based off the scorecard. So we're going to put Ryan Anderson on work reduction off. And that's it. We're going to go down further, and we have Sam Wenger off on sick. So his code status will go down to the off codes and sick off duty. The other thing on Truck 7 is we have a third firefighter spot that we know will not be filled. So we can just remove that from our roster so it does not show as an open spot. So now with our scorecard, we should have 6 guys and fully staffed for Station 7. We'd hit save. Once your event calendar pops back up, we can go and hover over that day to make sure that everything got entered correctly. So we'll hover over Station 7A, and you'll notice on the bottom the off-duty personnel, Ryan Anderson's off on WR and Sam Wenger's off on sick. Up top, we still have 6 people. Everything works out well. Our roster's set for the day. Continuing on, let's say that Keith Alds all of a sudden needs some department leave on this day. So we're going to go back into that roster. We'll double click. Again, we only edit occurrences, never series. So once we're in here, you could add a note possibly if somebody needs department leave, just so we can have them accounted for. So we'd go into personnel. We're going to go down to Keith Alts. Let's say he needs department leave from 7 in the morning till 2 o'clock. So we'll have to change his code status. We'll go down towards the bottom and we're going to find department leave off duty. Click on that. And now we need coverage for him. So we're going to go coverage from that's 7 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon. We add personnel. And then we need to put Keith back on the rig from 2 o'clock in the afternoon to the end of shift. He'll be back on as an on-duty paramedic. So now that position is filled, and we would save it. Once your event calendar pops back up, again you can hover over your shift, and now you can see down below we have Randerson and Wenger still off, and now we've got Keith Alds off on department leave, and then you'll see we have an open spot where Keith Alds is on department leave, so now we know we need to fill that spot. And that's how you can enter a work production, sick, or department leave.